We're all familiar with the helpful assistance of Amazon's Alexa digital assistant. Using any number of Echo devices, Alexa can answer questions, share weather and news, give cooking advice, measurement conversions, and play music, plus so much more. But just in time for the holidays, Amazon has launched a new feature for Alexa called Hey Santa. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and in this video I will tell you exactly what you need to do to invoke Santa for holiday help, to tell stories, or just to have a little Christmas fun. An early heads up, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please mash that like button and do subscribe. Both those things help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there gets to watch, enjoy, and learn from.
I love a good snow flurry. In North Pole, United States, it's minus 10 degrees Celsius with flurries.
Right now, on all Amazon devices, Santa is making a guest appearance on your Echo or Echo Show as a holiday personality for Alexa. Before you get to chat with his beardedness, you'll need to enable this skill. Now, the easiest way to do this is to say, "Hey, A-Lady, enable Hey Santa" to get started. Now, by the way, if you're a kid watching this, a parent is going to need to approve this request, and they will have to finish this off in the Alexa app by granting parental permission and signing into their account. Now, hilariously, even for me, I needed to verify my credit card information too to prove my adulthood. After you're finished with all the permissions, you need to ask again for Alexa to enable Hey Santa.
Well, hello there, everyone. Thank you for welcoming me into your
When you
world.
do, you'll be introduced to the wonderful voice of the man from the North Pole himself.
This is exciting.
You can also just hit the Alexa app and look for skills and games, then search Hey Santa, which is listed as Santa Holiday Personality for Alexa. Worth noting is that this is a voice-only feature. Even if you have an Echo Show device, there are no video elements to speak of because obviously Santa's busy in his workshop or writing letters, letting his suit out, or warming milk, and doesn't have time to appear on camera. I, though, would love to see a bit of generic Christmas imagery on the screen maybe, something like a wide shot of Santa's house from the North Pole, a look live into his yard where the reindeer are grazing, or maybe just some holly, that kind of thing. But I guess I will put that on my wish list for next year.
Hello there. If you're wondering what all that commotion is, Mrs. Claus and I are hosting a Christmas cookie baking competition here at the North Pole.
After you've enabled Hey Santa, you can enjoy fun holiday-themed responses. Ask Santa what the weather is for a jolly old forecast, or ask him what's going on at home. If you ask him to add something to your grocery list, it seems like he can't do that, but he will respond in character to most of the requests you'd regularly make to Alexa, which is really fun even for us adults. I've got a full list of commands at TechGadgetsCanada.com, but here's a taste.
Hey Santa, sing me a song.
Ask Santa to sing and he may surprise you by popping in with a
Singing
friend.
carols is always more fun with a friend, which is why I'm thrilled to bring in pop sensation Meghan Trainor for our Jingle Bells duet.
Hey Santa, am I on the naughty list or the nice list?
Want to know if you're getting a stuffed up stocking or a lump of coal?
Question
Just
for
ask
you.
Santa.
Have you done your chores around the house lately? Let me check my list.
Hey Santa is a fun seasonal option that can let kids and, let's be honest, adults interact with Santa anytime they want. That is how to access Hey Santa on all your Alexa devices. If you want to read more or see the full list of Santa commands, you can head over to TechGadgetsCanada.com where I've got a full post. You can also ask me any questions you have either here on the YouTube channel or on the blog as well. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. Until next time, you can find me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always catch me on Facebook at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.
It's bright.
What fun it is to ride.